Hi there, here's a quick tip for you in Viskon 16. If you want to create little planks between your rafters, sort of closing the attic and cutting the insulation, you can do this by using this setting board with groove tool. Click on it. Select your roof pitch surface, select multiple rafters by the multi-select tool, and select your purlin. And by clicking this, a new window comes up, and here you can choose which orientation you want these planks to be in. You want them vertical or maybe inclined, centered, or on the front, maybe on the back. You can do this as you wish. You can set the plank thickness. You can set the groove depth, so it makes a little pocket, a little notch in the rafter, or the offset, which sets the position of the plank based from its original place. You can also select the material of the planks, and if you're finished, you can click OK, and now you have a fully closed attic. And that's how you can use the setting board command in Viskon 16.